How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about Daily Digital Club, and I'm going to make this video very simple so you guys can, get some information and get right to it. This program, to be totally honest, is really for someone that's new to affiliate marketing, doesn't have a big budget, doesn't mind paying a few bucks monthly, wants some residual income, and wants some upfront, daily commissions as well. That's where Daily Digital Club comes in handy. You're going to learn some pretty good training, not too advanced, which is good for someone new, but you're going to learn a lot of meat and potato that you see right here. This is a $25 membership, which I'm at. There's a $25 and there's a $100 for a total of $125 a month. If you come in at both memberships, I'm just at the $25 membership, so I'm only going to talk about the $25 membership. But you see, there's a lot of basics, because a lot of people don't get a good concept of what it means to market on social media and do affiliate marketing. So you're going to learn about these platforms, and you're going to do it for a very inexpensive $25 a month. It's going to give you some free time. You're not going to pretty much be stressing that overhead. It's going to give you some capital, especially if you have a bigger budget to invest in other resources online to get your business out there. You're not going to feel like you're already in the hole, because it's very inexpensive. And what also is very, very, very great about this program is they pay daily. And since it's a monthly subscription, you're going to also get paid every single month. So if you go out and get 5 people, you're going to get paid that money instantly, and you're going to get paid that money every month whenever those guys came in. So if you have 5 people come in the first, you're going to get paid that money on the first instantly, and then the following month, if they're still active, some people cancel, you're going to get paid that money again. So what's great about that is, as you build your team, it's not just one-time commissions. You're building a team, so you're building a residual income. So if you go out and get 80 people, 200 people, and they stay active, now you have $225 monthlies coming in on top of the money you made initially. So you're seeing, it's very self-explanatory. There's some resources in here as well: Facebook, Google remarketing, email follow-ups. They collect the leads for you, until you get more advanced into email follow-ups and email marketing with other platforms. They have the follow-ups. If you're good with ad copy, you can come in here and change things around before you send the email, but the email follows up by itself. So it's really a simple program to get started with. It's a very simple program. I'm going to show you, this is a real program. There are actually people on the leaderboards that are taking this very serious. At last 30 days, there's actual people, like I said, taking this very, very serious. It's not just me. Even on the $100 program, there's a lot of people taking it serious, bringing a lot of people in on a daily basis. We have a Facebook group as well. I'm going to add you to, and you're going to see a lot of real people making real money. And this is also created by Peter Woofing, which is a guy who has came up with a lot of these programs that have made a lot of people money. You can look him up, etc. But yeah, this is very simple. I didn't want to get in here and talk too much. This is a very simple affiliate offer that I have as a side income. I have a few side incomes, if you didn't know. If you're on the YouTube, But yeah, this is just a side income, very inexpensive, to learn these skills. And remember, these skills are not just for affiliate marketing. They're for anything. I don't care what you're selling. If you're selling hair, if you're selling nails, if you're doing nails, these are the ways you want to know how, especially if it's online, how to reach people the right way without just coming out saying, hey, who wants to buy, who wants to join. This is the way you're going to tap into these things without being a salesman. And these are, like I said, these are key skills that you want to know if you're going to do anything online. Even if you're promoting some content, some entertainment, doesn't matter. You want to learn how to do these things, and these are crucial skills, guys. But thank you for watching this video. I'm going to end this here. Make sure you comment below if you have any questions. Information will be in the description. If you're finding this on social media, I'll leave the link in the comments. And Daily Digital Club is very simple for anyone to come in and make some money. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.